Welcome to Pre-Math. In this video, we are going to solve this given exponential equation 4 power x plus 16 power x equals to 272. In other words, we are going to find the value of x. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and we are going to solve this exponential equation. So let's go ahead and manipulate this equation to make our job simpler. Therefore, let's focus on this part only, 16 power x. And here I have copied it down, and let's focus on this base 16. 16 could be written as 4 power 2. So therefore, this whole thing is written as 4 power 2 and then power x. Now, since we are dealing with this nested exponent, so therefore we are going to apply this power rule of exponents. So this could be written as 4 power 2x, and this in turn could be written as 4 power x and then power 2. So therefore, I am going to replace this term by this 4 power x and then power 2. So thus this equation could be written as 4 power x, I'm going to leave it as it is, plus 16 power x, I'm going to replace it by this one. I can write 4 power x and then power 2 equals to 272. And now let's focus on this 4 power x and this 4 power x as well. Let me go ahead and do the substitution. Let me go ahead and say let u equals to 4 power x. Then this equation is going to become simply u plus u square equal to 272. Let's move this on the left hand side and rearrange them. I'm going to put them in a descending order. So I can write u square plus 1u minus 272 equals to 0. And now we can see that this is our quadratic equation, and we are going to solve it by finding factors by grouping. Before we do that one, let's focus on this constant 272. And here I have copied down 272, and this could be factored into 16 times 17. And we can also see the difference between these two numbers, 16 and 17, is 1. So therefore, I can replace this 1u as negative 16u plus 17u, that is equal to 1u. So therefore, we can write this quadratic equation as u square minus 16u plus 17u minus 272 equals to 0. And now we can see between these first two terms, u is in common, and between these next two terms, 17 is common. So therefore, we can write this one as u times u minus 16 plus 17, we're going to factor it out, times u minus 16 equals to 0. And now we can see that u minus 16 and u minus 16 is in common. So let's go ahead and factor that one out. So this could be written as u minus 16 times u plus 17 equals to 0. Now let's go ahead and separate these two factors since they are equal to 0. So I can write this one as u minus 16 equal to 0, and this other one is going to be u plus 17 equal to 0. That means u turns out to be positive 16, and on this side u turns out to be negative 17. And now u could also be written as equal to 4 square. But we know that our u equals to 4 power x at the very first place. So let's go ahead and replace this u by both of these u by 4 power x. So I can write this one as 4 power x equal to 4 power 2. And likewise on this side, 4 power x equals to negative 17. And now we can see that this exponential function 4 power x cannot be equal to negative number. So therefore this is a false statement. So therefore we are going to reject this scenario. Now let's focus on this side. 4 power x equals to 4 power 2. And now we can see that our bases are same. So therefore we can equate their exponents. So therefore our x could be written to equals to 2, and that's our solution. So thus our solution turns out to be x equals to 2. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.